Hello, my name is Dr. Arun Panda. I'm a facial plastic and hair restoration surgeon, Mumbai. Many a times we come across patients who have undergone some kind of surgery for the chin, especially cancer surgeries, wherein this part of the skin has been excised and this has been reconstructed by skin from other parts of the body. Typically like this, wherein like the cancer surgery has been operated, the patient has been operated and the whole area has got scarred, and after the scarring or after the surgery the patient has undergone radiation therapy, because of which the patient has lost the whole lot of hair on the beard area here. So the patients ask us what can we do for it and how can we camouflage. Hair transplant surgery is a procedure which can actually camouflage the whole scarred area, something like this. We can typically take grafts either from this part of the scalp, from the back part of the scalp, and transplant it into the scarred area, and we can actually camouflage it. It takes a while for the whole grafts to take up, and sometimes we may need a second sitting and a third sitting to get very good results. But then yes, this can actually camouflage the whole scarred area on one side of the face, wherein the patient has lost his skin and his lower jaw and things like that, wherein like the patient's self-esteem is low because it shows through. If you can camouflage that area with a good amount of hair transplant, that actually increases the self-esteem of the patient. Yes, I would say we can camouflage those scarred areas post cancer surgery, post radiation, wherein the patient has lost. Of course, there is a typical time frame wherein we should be doing the surgery. Please feel free to get in touch with us. We will be discussing more about it. We can always let you know when should be the best time for you to go for a hair transplant to camouflage these areas. But I can assure you that we can camouflage these areas so that you can have a better self-esteem and you can have a better life. If you have anything, you can let us know. You can call us and you can get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. And if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much.